Today we're looking at a 2005 Toyota Prius. It makes this really loud noise on the wheel when you're going down the street, and I mean it's loud. So said maybe the brakes are bad and that little wear indicator thing is dragging on the rotors, and that's causing the noise. So I've looked at the other side, and I get to this side, and the rotors look great and the brake pads look really good. Check these things out. They're nice and thick. They haven't been changed too long ago. So it's definitely not that all four of the front pads look that well. And I get to looking around and I say, man, look at that. There's a rock stuck between this metal clip and the rotor, and it makes this really loud noise when you turn it. Of course it ain't gonna do it now, but it's a loud noise, and that's the noise you can hear while you're driving down the street. And so I also look at the edge of the rotor right here where the rust is, and I can see that it's all worn off in a line around here. So I think what's happening is that just the outside of this rotor is rubbing this rock. I don't even know how it got in there, but there it is. That's the rock. So we'll take that out. Gone. All right, we're driving down the street. We're testing this thing out. See how does she do. I hear absolutely no bad noise from the wheel that I heard before when she pulled in. So I think that this problem is fixed, you know. Let me hit the brakes. Yeah, no noise. Sounds great. So that definitely was the problem. It didn't cost any dollars to fix. Just a matter of taking a few minutes to take a look at everything. That was it. And we were able to solve the problem. Awesome. Well, if you guys have watched this video at this point, I want to say that I really appreciate you watching. Thank you very much. If you don't mind, please hit the like button for me, the thumbs up, and that would really help my channel out. I want to grow this channel into something that can do more videos like this, and I can learn more, I can find more solutions like this, and I can share them with you guys. All right, thank you very much. GreggFesto out.